Welcome. In front of me is a POCO M4 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to navigate into your notification tray where you have your toggles, so the one that is located on the right side when you swipe down. You can see if you swipe down from the left, it gives you just a notification shade, and on the right side you have the toggles. So in here, you want to extend the panel and look for your hotspot, which, let's see if I can find it. Oh, there we go. It's right here, but it is toggled off right now as an inaccessible because I have airplane mode. So I'm going to turn it off, and as you can see, it just appeared. So once you find your hotspot, when you're doing this for the first time, you want to hold the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can change things like, for instance, your hotspot password. So let's select right here the setup portable hotspot and start off by selecting the password. Now you can tap on that little eye icon right here to view the password that is generated by default. But as you can see, it's not anything that is remotely easy to remember. So what I recommend you to do is just select this, completely remove it, and set your own. Now your password does need to have about 8 characters in length, or at least 8 characters, and from there you can save it. That's the only thing that I would recommend you to change. You can obviously change other things like the hotspot name if you want to. By default, just the name of the device itself. You also have the AP band, which we have chosen between 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. Though this is a little bit iffy depending on what kind of device you will be connecting with. Older devices will not support 5 gigahertz. Newer ones should. And if you're not sure about your device that you want to connect to this hotspot with, if it supports or not, simply turn it on. If you just cannot find your hotspot, once you select this and just select. So if we toggle on our hotspot right now, and if you go to the Wi-Fi settings and you just cannot see your hotspot, so by the name that is right here, that means that your device doesn't support 5 gigahertz. And to fix that, go back here and drop it back to 2.4. Now the reason why I do recommend you to change it to 5 gigahertz is because it will be in general better. If your device supports it, you can utilize the hotspot a little bit better. So you will have a faster and more stable connection. And in my opinion, that is something that is worth at least checking out if your device supports. And the last option is hide SSID, which I don't recommend enabling. So make sure that you save the settings right here, and then you can toggle it on or off from here, but you can also easily toggle it on and off from the toggles right here. Now it is enabled right now, so I just disabled it, and when you want to turn it back on, you would just tap on it once again. So there we go. Now once you're done with it, I do recommend you to remember to turn it off because it will consume a little bit more of your battery on your device. And when you're not using your hotspot, there is really no purpose for it to waste your battery. So yeah. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.